is best described by our definition for today. Home is where the Lord is. Ito po talaga yung tunay na definition ng home. Kung nasaan yung ating Panginoon. It is where the love is. Because we know that God is love, no? So, kung nasaan yung God, nandun yung love. Kung nasaan yung love, nandun si Lord. Amen? So, alam naman natin na it is best described in 1 Corinthians 13. Di ba alam natin yung love talaga nandun sa 1 Corinthians 13. Ang sabi nga, yung paraphrase na lang, yung sasabihin ko sa inyo, mahaba yun. Sabi dito, love has no limit to its endurance, no fading to its hope. It can outlast anything. It is in fact the one thing that still stands when all else has fallen. So ito talaga yung nag-i-stand ng love. Mawawala yung lahat, pero sabi nga, faith, hope, and love, but the greatest of this is
love.
Love. So yun talaga, love talaga. Minsan nga, natanong ko minsan, bakit ganun? Faith, hope, and love, the greatest of this is love. Bakit hindi faith, bakit hindi hope? Minsan nagbigay ng paliwanag, sabi, pag naandun ka na daw sa langit, hindi mo na kailangan ng faith. Kasi naandun na yung faith, kaharap mo na yung Diyos. Hindi mo rin na kailangan ng hope. Nandun na yung hope nandun na. Pero yung love, nag-exist. Pag naandun tayo, kasama na natin. Sabi, oo nga no. Kaya yung love, hindi mawawala. The greatest of this is love. So, maraming beses, talaga, yung love, pag tinanong mo, saan natin makikita? We will find it in our family. Pero ito rin,